So hi everyone and welcome back to a new video. I hope you are all doing great. Today I'm back with another Palestinian flag. This time I have used the molly flower to make the flag. This is the end result and what you will get if you use the molly flower. So in this video I'm going to explain how I achieved this look of the flag. At the second part of the video I'll show you how to attach the molly flowers, and in a different video which I linked in the description box or above this video you'll find how to make the molly flower in an earlier video than this. So without further ado, we'll get started. Before that, just make sure you check the written pattern so you follow along with the video and how to achieve it line by line till you get the entire flag. So the written pattern will be in the description box, the link for my blog, or if you'd like to buy the PDF, it's gonna be in Etsy shop. So we'll start with the number of flowers. For the red molly flowers I did 28 red flowers, then I shaped them into a triangle initially before I start attaching the other colors one by one. For the green color I did 36 green flowers and 25 of the white and 36 of the black. So the black and green are the same amount of molly flowers. So for the flag, if you have seen the first flag I did, you'll know that you have to start line by line, the first row, then the second row and onwards, and you keep on adding the colors as you go. I'll put the link as well in the description box. For the flowers, I started with 7 red flowers attached together, then I added in the second row 1 green, 6 red and 1 black, and as I went along I decreased the number of red and increased the number of black and green. So if you don't want to get confused, you finish the triangle first like I did. So it goes 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You attach the red colors all together before, like I'm gonna show you in a while. Then you start adding the colors on the side. For the green, I started with the second row with 1 molly flower, then onto the next row 2 molly flowers, and the rest 3, 3, 3, 3 till the end of the flag. The black was the same. It was 1 on the second row, 2 on the third row, and 3, 3, 3 onwards till the end. For the white colors, I added them before the last row, so 2 rows before I finish the triangle. I added 1 of the whites on each side, and then again it's gonna be 3, 3, 3 on each row till the end of the entire flag. And this is how it looks at the end. So you choose how big or how small you want it, depending on how many flowers you attach together. Going on to the next step, I'm going to show you how to attach the molly flowers together. If you have any questions or any queries about this pattern, feel free to leave your questions in the comment section. I'll just show you the behind because there will be a lot of thread left behind, so we have to clean all after we finish the flag. So basically I attached the thread and cut everything off, and this is how it looks. I hope you like the flag and you'll try to make it. Let me know what you think and see you in the next section. So I'm gonna shape the flowers one by one. For the first, I'm gonna start stitching row by row. So for the first row it will be 7 flowers together, and we'll make sure they are well aligned together. So 7 here. And I'm gonna show you how to stitch the first row going to the next row and onwards. So before I start, make sure you check the written pattern, because it will have the classification and the order of the rows, how to add the flowers, and in which row you will add the other colors. So I'll take this one here. Can you see? Okay. I will first secure it. Oops. No. Okay, so I will bring the next flower and see, I will attach this side, not this one, but this one. So I will just add a thread here and then secure it again. This way. And then again, like I did for the first one, I will add my flower on this side. Like so. So it's well aligned and attached together, and I'll keep doing the same until I have all the 7 flowers attached together. Okay. And I will bring my next flower, and again the same thing, like so. So I will finish the first row and I'll come back to show you how to do the next row, which will be the same in every row until the flag is completed. So now I'm going on to the next row, and we're decreasing the number of flowers. So it was 7 in the first row, now it will be 6 only. So the next flower will come on this side to join these 2 over here, and I will continue stitching the same way. So in the middle of the 2 petals I will join like this, and then I will join again the 2 petals over here. And also here. This one's. And I will keep on adding the flowers until 6 petals are joined together. I'll join this one. So the joining point is the chain 2 of the petal flowers, if you can see properly.